How to post your template on CapCut. First things first is you'll have to make sure that your CapCut is updated to its latest version. So just simply pull up your Google Play Store if you're using an Android, and then search for CapCut. And from here, you'll be able to know if your CapCut requires an update because that option is going to be visible here. Now mine is already updated to the latest version, so I'll just open it up. Now once you pull up your CapCut application, all you have to do is to export a project first. Now once your template or your edited video is done exporting, you will be able to um, press on share this video as a template on any of those platforms. It's usually visible or will be shown below this button right here that says share to TikTok. Now you'll have to like use your CapCut application usually. So if you do more edits and then more uploads by using this application, then you will be available to press on that feature right here. Now I don't usually use CapCut application for video editing, so that's why I don't have that option right here. But if you use this as your daily video edit, you'll have that feature below share to TikTok. So that's how you can share your template on CapCut.